Hadian bakaseng Hnlc kala depan benai ki kerteng joki Nongialam Kiba Wan Sha benta ha Jingiakren yesok bar ka Sorkar Menteri rang ba kejelau kondat ki sangma ukermen bakani Jingiakren kan sedang no ashen bat bakan long ka besai so Habai Kren bikla pathai khubor Menteri rang ba ulo ongru ba ka Sorkar kan khmi bakan long ka basngan yakini ki Nongialam kaseng ban Wan Sha benta ha kani Jingiakren yesok
They have expressed their concerns on the security, and let me assure them and everybody that it is the duty of the government to ensure that the safety of each and everybody who comes for the talks is maintained, and all the discussions we have had in terms of the entire process has led to this moment, and we are hopeful that very soon the official talks will start, and this exercise has been going on for the last many months, I should say, and I can't go into details about everything, but as I said, we are hopeful that talks will start soon, and most importantly is that we also are positive that we will be able to come out with the successful talks, and we will do our best to do that, to reach those conclusion. But let me assure everybody that all the concerns that have been raised by the members of the Hnlc, those concerns will be obviously addressed, and concerns in the sense the safety issues will be addressed, and we will ensure that all steps are taken to ensure the safety.